y'all, welcome back to your girl Nisha B's channel. This is Nisha B's garden in Mississippi. I grow in zone 8B, Mississippi. And in today's video we will be doing a garden tour. I am so sorry about the dogs barking, but I have actually 3 big dogs and 2 little dogs. So you will hear some barking, and I also have 5 kids, so you can hear some little kids chattering as well. But anyway, back to today's video. We'll be doing a garden tour, late March garden tour in spring. It's officially spring. This is my first official spring garden tour video, so I hope you guys enjoy what you see. I will be taking you along to see how far things are growing this year. So let's get going. So we will be starting with the greenhouse, my lovely greenhouse that houses my blackberries and my strawberries, some of my strawberries, well, not all of them. At the moment, my kale and cabbage. Right now, you know, the kale this is kale, the rough stuff. These round leaves are collard greens. I said cabbage, I'm sorry. Collard greens and kale. They are grown in the same basket right here. It is a 5-gallon or a 3-gallon bag, I want to say, but it's sitting right beside my blackberries. Look at them. They haven't quite got a lot of blooms, but I think I see some new growth right here. You see that? I am so excited about these blackberries. Everything is tilting over at the moment because my greenhouse is actually sitting on a slant, and also it has been very windy. But I will straighten this out very soon. But look at it. I am loving it. It is my first time. This is my very first blackberry bush. It is an Osage thornless blackberry. I don't know if you can see that tag. Let me just get it. It's Osage thornless blackberry, bought from Walmart. Anyway, I got a video. I have a previous video we had did putting my blackberry and my blueberry bush in the favorite pot I have. So this is the blueberry. It is so short, but y'all, is the growth is amazing. Let me straighten it up so I can see. Like, look at that. Little blueberries. But it is short though, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. It's short. It's short. But the outcome. Look at those blueberries. Like, they're not blueberries yet, but they're almost. They are almost there. They're almost there, you guys. Look at those blueberries. Look at them. They look amazing. Anyway, we also got strawberries coming in spring, you guys. Let me move my collard green leaves. They look like they need water, and I'm going to water these things as soon as we get done. Look at these strawberries. I got some dead stuff. Is that what I missed the strawberry. That one was so tiny. Look at it. Anyway, look at this one. Look at this one. I think I picked it off the... Nope, I didn't. It's still on there. Look at that one. It's not red yet, but it's almost red. Ooh, look at these over here, y'all. We got one that went bad, but we got another one that's fully red beside it. Let's try it. Let's get a little dirt off of it a little bit. Rub it on my shirt. Sorry about the crookedness, y'all, but I'm not gonna go take this in here and wash it. So I'm just gonna rub it a little bit. Look at that. Look at that. It's not huge, but it's a strawberry. Pretty good. Pretty sweet. Okay. Let's get back to the tour, y'all. I can stop snacking. So that is the garden tour for today. Only thing we missed, you guys, is my excitement for the moment. Well, actually, my blueberries is really my excitement, and that blackberry is starting to grow is my excitement as well. Look, I have got so many excitements because I'm happy about my sugar snap peas as well. Y'all just don't know your girl is happy over here at Nisha B's Mississippi Garden, y'all. Nisha B's Garden in Mississippi. I'm happy. But let me talk to you about this. This is my lemon cucumber. It look a little ugly, but it's growing. So, we're going to put this thing in the ground real soon. And we're going to put it in the ground. Hold on. Y'all can't see it. Y'all can't see it. We're going to put this thing in the ground real soon. And when I put it in the ground, we're going to kind of bury it kind of up high. And we're going to do it together. So, y'all go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So, y'all can get into that video with me. And be watching me plant this lemon cucumber, and we can harvest the first lemon cucumber together. Because I've grown these plants, started this plant before, never tasted it. Also with the cucumber, same thing. But I am so hopeful because it looks so different than what it did the first time I grew it. Like, it was way more laggy the first time I grew it compared to now. So we're going to get both of these things in the ground today. No. See that? We don't know what we're gonna do with it. And I put some beans over here. Nothing came up. I'm gonna have to redo it and put it back there. So we're gonna do something else with that. Come on, Nike. All right, you guys. So that. Oh, let me show you this other one. Hold on. I dropped that video of me planting that cucumber and them lemon cucumbers plants. Y'all gonna see me harvest it, because we're gonna speak that into existence over here. We're gonna speak it into existence and say, baby, you're gonna be tasting that lemon cucumber. Okay? I am in that cucumber. It's gonna be so good. Cannot wait, because guess what? We're gonna start another plant to ensure that it happens. Okay? So y'all stay tuned. Like I said, look for that video. It will be coming to you real soon. I plan on doing it today. Okay? Now, when it get uploaded, I don't know. But it's going to get recorded. Got this last one to show y'all, and we got my watermelon seedlings. I think this is my butterfly weed flower seedlings. I'm not 100%. I got some pepper seedlings, and I'm not going to go back there and show because they are the same peppers as, where are they? Oh, this is a tomato, y'all. I had to put that in there too. It was supposed to be another one around here somewhere. I have to look for it. I had to put that one in there too because she tore that cup up too. So we're going to plant some more tomatoes. That one is coming out of there. This is the other tomato right here. The tomatoes are also coming out. Now the marigold's going to stay in. Some of the pepper's going to come out. Like this one right here is a pepper. But the marigolds are going to stay in. And this one is another pepper right here. But they are sweet, like novelty peppers. It's gonna be cute. So this, I think, is my nasturtium. She ate that cup up too. I'm not gonna keep ragging on her, but she been doing some damage to this garden, y'all. Look, this is my green onion, y'all. It is always, look, this is like my second time getting to germinate, but I have never harvested them, so hopefully I get a chance to harvest them. Like they popping up over here too. So I am very hopeful that I get a chance to harvest it. And I think these other seedlings are also my butterfly weed. And I also got an eggplant that I think this one was right. Let me stop. This one was right here. But I don't think it's gonna make it. So we're gonna redo the eggplant for sure. And the green onion, it might make it, might not make it. I don't know. Put this back on my porch out of so much sun. So that is the garden tour for today. So when y'all see me in this good old shirt again in the next hour or so for me, and the next day or so for y'all, just know it's recording the same day. It's not really the same thing twice in a week. Catch y'all in the